Hi guys, my name is Davis and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am very excited because Rush Charge has sent me not only their iconic Rush Charge Air portable chargers, but they've also sent me their brand new Trident, which is just like the Air, but bigger and sort of supercharged. So today let's unbox them all and try them out. But before we do, remember to subscribe and also like if you would like to see more content just like this one. Okay, so let's begin with the Rush Charge Airs. So Rush Charge have sent me two of them. We've got a plain black one and also an exciting leopard print. I think I prefer the black one, so let's begin with that. On the front, we've just got a picture of the Rush Charge. It's quite attractive, it's quite small, which is fantastic. It plugs into the bottom of your phone, as we can see. As I've got an iPhone, I've chosen to get the Lightning version, but it also comes in USB-C and micro USB as well. It also says that it's got 2,500 milliamps of battery. And on the back, we've also got some highlights of the features, including fast charging, which is very useful in something this small. In addition to that, you've also got pass-through charging, which means that you can charge the iPhone and also your Rush Charge with the one cable, which is very exciting. Okay, so I've got my plastic butter knife over here. Let's break the seal. Ooh, how satisfying was that? Okay, let's open it up, shall we? 3, 2, 1. Oh, slides open and there we go. Oh my God, it does open up just like an Apple product. It does feel very premium. Okay, so this is the Rush Charge. It is just incredibly small and we've got this plastic film on the top. Let's just take that off. Oh, there we go. Okay, just as a point of comparison, here is my iPhone 13 Pro and here is the Rush Charge. It is just so small. You can probably fit both of these in the same pocket. And then to use the Rush Charge, you've got this little cap and then all you do is you plug it into the phone. And there you go, it's charging, just like that. On the front, we can see that it's got its charge indicator LEDs. On the back, you've got the Rush Charge logo and branding. And then to charge it, all you do is plug in an additional lightning cable over here and your Rush Charge and your phone both charge at the same time, which is just so easy. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got this little bit of foam and then we've got this card, which feels very good quality. And you've got some fun instructions. It is very detailed if you are into a bit of literature. Okay, so now that we've opened the black one, let's look at the other color that we've got, the leopard. And then let's open it up and there we go. Look at that. Isn't that unique? You'll definitely stand out with a battery like this one. Let's remove the plastic. Oh, isn't that cool? We've got the beautiful logo on the front. It's sort of embossed on top, so it feels really lovely in the hand. And it's actually got a little bit of a different texture to the black one. The black one's a nice soft touch plastic, while this leopard print is sort of a grainier, harder one. And the cap, of course, opens just like that and is just as easy to use. There we go. I'm actually quite warming to this leopard print. It's quite attractive in real life. I didn't think that I would like it so much. And yes, it comes with at least 40% charge to begin with. Now that we've had a look at the Airs, let's have a look at the Tridents. Which one should we unbox first? Let's go with the plain black one first again. On the back, we've got obviously all of the features, but we can also see quite clearly that it's got 3 different ports. You've got your Lightning, you've got your USB-C, and you've got your micro USB. So this is basically the charger that you can use for everything. And on the front, it says instead of 2,500 milliamps, you've got 4,000. So if you need a bit more battery size, you can go for this one. Let's open it up. Okay, so this plain black Rush Charge Trident actually, on second look, is not plain black. Rather, it's actually got a very, very attractive carbon weave. It's like carbon fiber. It's so cool. Okay, so over here, we've got the USB Type-C charger. So this can charge anything from your recent Android phone to your Nintendo Switch or even MacBook Pro if you just need a little bit of a top-up. Over here, we've got micro USB, which I'm actually so happy that they've included. So this means that you can charge your PlayStation Vita or your DualShock 4 controller, or even your older Android phone. And then over here, it's labeled iPhone. It's a lightning charger. And then to charge the, wait, let's actually remove the plastic first, shall we? How do we do that? We've got this little flap over here. Oh. Oh, look at that. To charge the Trident, it's a little bit different to the Air. Instead of plugging your lightning cable directly into it, you just remove this cable and you plug it directly into your power brick, which also is quite convenient. And yes, I believe that this also has the pass-through charging, so you can plug your iPhone into it, for instance. The lightning port is this one, and then you can charge the Rust Charge at the same time, so you can charge all of this with just the one cable, which is so cool. And I'm just going to assume that the literature is the same as the Rust Charge Air, and just as fascinating. And finally, let's unbox the most exciting one, the Rust Charge Trident in Peacock. Yes, Peacock. Let's unbox it. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that. It is just so striking. I believe that each one of these Peacock designs is actually hand dipped. So you get that little bit of craftsmanship in this high-tech product. Removing the plastic, we can see that we've got the micro USB at the top, just like with the other Trident. We've got our USB-C and we've also got our Lightning. Let's try it out again. Yes, I think this goes particularly well with the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro, don't you think? We've got the tones of the blue on both the phone and also the charger. I think this one is my favorite. Okay, so now that we've unboxed the Rust chargers, let's sort of compare it to other batteries that I've been using in the past. So obviously the one that everyone is talking about is the Apple MagSafe charger. So effectively this sort of just plugs onto the back of your phone and then it charges. The problem with induction charging like this is that it's very inefficient, which is a bit of a problem when you're using a battery like this, particularly one this small. So although the MagSafe battery and also the Rust Charge Air have very similar sized batteries, not only will the Rust Charge Air last longer, but it's also considerably smaller as it doesn't need to fit all of those fancy induction coils. Just look how small the Air is compared to the Apple MagSafe. It's practically half the size. And yet this has more charge. And I must also add that each one of these is just $59.95 before my discount code, which is considerably more affordable than the $139 of this particular Apple MagSafe charger. Okay, so this is another one of my chargers that I've been lugging around. So this is a massive 20,000 milliamp brick, which I usually think that I need, but I really don't. What I generally do is plug multiple cables in. For example, I've just got a micro USB cable right now. I might have this, a USB-C cable, and also a lightning cable, and it looks absolutely ridiculous. In comparison, the Rust Charge Trident is a lot more reasonably sized, and you don't need all of these ridiculous cables as well. So let's just see what the Trident can charge, shall we? Let's have a play. So we've discovered that it can charge the iPhone pretty easily. It just charges like this. So let's just add maybe, let's say, a pair of headphones. These are some Bose QC35-2s. Oh yeah, so we can see that this is charging over here. Let's see if we can add a third item at the same time. So I've got this Ricoh GR compact camera that uses USB-C. So let's give that a go. And now we can see that the Ricoh is charging as well. So this tiny little battery with no additional cables is charging all three of these devices at the same time, which is just incredible. And so essentially that is the Rust Charge Air and Trident. Which one are you thinking of getting? Because if I had to pick from all of these, as tempting and as cute as the Rust Charge Airs are, I probably will go with the Peacock Rust Charge Trident, not only because it's so attractive, but I just want the power of being able to charge basically anything I want without additional cables. And this is the one that will probably replace my Apple MagSafe as my daily charger. If you're going to get one of these as well, then remember to also use my code, which is in the description, Davis10, to get 10% off and also help me out a little bit. Otherwise, please subscribe, and if you haven't done so yet, please like the video as well. And until next time, toodaloo.